This is my truck bed. So it had a plastic bed liner in it that scuffed it all up and rubbed it down to raw metal and really beat it up. So we're going to put some Herculiner liquid bed liner in there and just try to cover it with liquid rather than within a plastic bed liner and see how it looks. So the Herculiner went on great. You'll see at the end of the video exactly what it looks like. And you can see here, there are some places where it's primer and some places where it's raw metal. And I had to sand it down with this sort of light Brillo pad thingy that comes with the kit. So we're going to wash it, we're going to Herculine it, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Be warned, some of you guys like to sniff glue and paint. I know you know who you are, some of my viewers, but if you don't, I would recommend doing this in a well-ventilated area. I did it in my front yard because Herculiner has a pretty powerful smell to it. It's not latex, it's a chemical that definitely will get you high.
It's a party in a can.
All right, there is the finished product, the Herculiner. We did the sides of the bed and the bottom of the bed, and I still have about that much left, so I'm going to do the frame rails under the truck too to keep it from rusting. So this Herculiner kit comes with a roller and then a special kind of roller. It's like a extra squishy thing that's built to hold the chunks in. Goes on real easy. It also comes with a paintbrush, and it comes with a green scuffer pad to scuff up the paint. You don't want to sand all the paint off or even sand deep grooves in it. You just want to scuff it up just a little bit. So you rub it with this green scuffing pad, and then you roll it, and you paint around the edges with the paintbrush. But you don't paint, you kind of dab with the paintbrush. Definitely read the instructions before you use this stuff. They do recommend that you do 2 coats. So the first coat is easy, but then the second coat, in 1 to 4 hours after the first coat, you don't want to be crawling around on this. So I ended up using a ladder, climbing up and reaching over to roll it and brush it from the outside. That way I didn't mess up the first layer. And I highly recommend it. It looks great. Can't stress test it because I just painted it on, so I don't know how long it's going to last, but certainly looks good. It was really easy to put on, easy to work with. So thumbs up for the Herculiner.